Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with iSee Hair and they sent me some fire. This one here is their 20-inch Yaki straight lace wig. She has a 9x6 cap construction and the cap is their signature M cap design. She has the removable combs, a drawstring in the back with a nice glueless fit. The lace fits nice and fitted, so you don't have to worry about the lifting or anything like that. It lays flat and flush even when you put her on straight out of the box. Super tiny knots for a beautiful seamless finish. The lace is 9x6. She also includes the anti-flake label, and all of these details make her wear and go. So today we'll be doing a very simple, quick and easy, beginner-friendly install. If you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started.
Kids running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, have you seen on deck? Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Only be his family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best.
Late night, city light, to the base of my heartbeat, we gon' be alright. I've been dreaming bigger than the room I'm in. They see the smile but don't know where I've been. Young heart, heavy thoughts in my chest. Still moving forward, never settling. They said slow down, I said watch me go. Every step I take, yeah, I'm finding my flow. Had doubts in my head at night, feeling low. Vision too clear, I can't move too slow. Yeah, yeah. Hands in the air, feel the moment rise. We don't need much, just faith tonight. Every move sing to the flashing lights. If you feel this now, you're living life. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. For that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can't ignore that feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. I remember days when they slept on me. Now they vibing now when I step on beat. Same kids, same goals, new energy. Turning moments into memories. Friends around me at a circle tight. Laughing through the stress, we allowed tonight. No fake love, just real ones here. Every single move feel crystal clear. Let the rhythm talk, let your worries fade. This the type of night we don't wanna waste. Every heartbeat line with the bass. If you feeling this now, you're in the right place. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Feel that beat, yeah, you know the drill. Heart so loud, can they know that feel? When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. On the move, yeah, we don't stay still. From the pain to the shine, yeah, it all feel real. If you dreaming like me, put your hands up high, let it move your soul, let it take you sky high. By fall, I get back up stronger. Every step make the dream feel closer. No fear now, I'm moving smarter. This my time, I'm going far. We on the move, yeah, we don't stay still. Every single beat got my heart on tilt. From the dark to the glow, yeah, I built this feel. When the song come on, yeah, the whole room feels it. Hands up high, let the moment fly. Every single voice singing side by side. If you feel this now, yeah, you know it's real. We on the move, yeah, the whole world feels it. Late night, city lights. If you dreaming, you alive.
Is it my life? Ashley Bedeck in the spotlight. Sun up, hair tied, moving on a mission. Kids yelling mom every 5 minutes. Coffee in hand, but the cup's half missing. Still making magic like a mom, a magician. Packing up lunch, just find a missing shoe. Somebody spilled juice, nothing new. Husband laughing, babe, how do you do? I just smile like watch, I always pull through. Juggling the house, the love, the crew. Running on grace, but the strength feels new. Some days crazy, some days smooth. But love is the rhythm I dance right through. It's a mom life, Ashley, but living in a high just right. Then game day hits, now we switch the lanes. Cleats in the trunk, sunshine and rain. Screaming in the stands like the team's last game. Rocking that jersey like it carries her name. And when a house gets loud, she breathes it in. Messy moments of memory she'll keep within. It ain't perfect, but it's perfect how her days begin. Love multiplies every time she pours it in. This is mom life. Ashley been living in the highlight. Wife life, dance mom nights under bright lights. Sports mom sidelines, cheering with the crowd hype. Yeah, we do it all, but we do it with a warm smile. It's the mom mouth, balancing it all with a little bit of God style. Even when the world goes wild, she's still steady with the love that goes the extra mile. From the carpool lanes to the late night chores, to the hugs from the kids she's fighting for. Ashley Bedeck, she's the heart, the core, mom life, but it's love even more, even more. Yeah. Ashley Bedeck. Yeah. Family love, we locked in. Yeah, yeah. Let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Who's been by my side? Yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us ahead. Laughing in the kitchen till the tears get shed. Love so strong, it'll knock you dead. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with a bright eye. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind.
Okay, love buds, this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description box for a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl. And again, clock that tea. I did do some baby hair because you guys know that's just my vibe. If you don't like it, of course, skip that step. Otherwise, it should have been a very simple, quick and easy, straight out of the box install. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.